Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to local anesthesia, theories of local anesthesia. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now today our topic is theories of local anesthesia. First, why these theories are presented, why these theories are established. Because with the time, 5 theories are established or presented to explain the mechanism of action of local anesthesia. Now, the first 3 theories are totally wrong. But the last 2 theories, the most favored theory is specific receptor theory. Now, the latest mechanism of action of local anesthesia is according to specific receptor theory. Now, first we start from the first theory of local anesthesia, acetylcholine theory. Now, we know that acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter which present gap between 2 neurons means synapses, and acetylcholine acts as a neurotransmitter. But according to acetylcholine theory states that acetylcholine acts as a neurotransmitter, but acetylcholine have one additional function also. This additional function is conduction of impulse through axon. But latest evidence states that this theory is totally wrong. Acetylcholine acts as a neurotransmitter but not responsible for conduction of impulse through axon. This is the first acetylcholine theory. Now come to the second theory, calcium displacement theory. Its name suggests that the calcium will be displaced. Now this theory states that there are specific sites on neuron cell membrane on which the calcium ion is present. These calcium act on this specific site to control the permeability of sodium ion channel through which the sodium ion influx occur. Now, calcium displacement theory states that when we inject the local anesthetic, this local anesthetic displaces the calcium from this site and act on this site to control the permeability of sodium ion channel, and result there will be no influx of sodium ion, no depolarization, no action potential, no impulse generation, no impulse conduction, no pain. But this theory is also wrong. There are no specific site on cell membrane where calcium ion is attached. Now come to the third theory, surface charge theory. Its name suggests that surface charge theory. According to this theory, when we inject the local anesthetic dissociate into cations, mean positive ions. Now, in neuron cell, inside the cell, in exoplasm, there is a negative charge, and outside around cell membrane is a positive charge. Why? Positive charge due to sodium ion, negative charge due to proteins, due to acids inside the cell. Now, surface charge theory states that when we inject local anesthetic dissociate into cations, and these cations are accumulated on the surface of cell membrane, therefore called surface charge theory. Now, the main theme of this theory is hyperpolarization. This theory states that hyperpolarization occurs. How hyperpolarization occurs? Normally inside the cell is negative ion, outside the cell positive ion. We say that cell is polarized. Mean this is negative pole and this is positive pole. But how hyperpolarization occur? This theory states that local anesthetic cause hyperpolarization. Mean inside is more negative ion, but outside is positive ion present. But when local anesthetic dissociate to make cation, and these cation also accumulated on surface, the positive ion pole become increase. The positive pole become increase and negative pole is already increased. Mean the positive and negative pole become increase mean hyperpolarization. This is the surface charge theory. But latest studies state that there is no evidence local anesthetic cause hyperpolarization. When hyperpolarization occurs, there will be less chances of depolarization, action potential, impulse generation and impulse conduction. This is the surface charge theory. This is also wrong. Now come to the fourth theory, membrane expansion theory. Its name suggests that membrane expansion theory means membrane become expand. Now, according to membrane expansion theory, when we inject the local anesthetic diffuse through cell membrane of axon and act on cell membrane to bring the changes in the structure of cell membrane, and due to those changes the cell membrane of axon become expand. When cell membrane become expand, the sodium ion channel which present in the cell membrane, its diameter become change. Mean due to membrane expansion, the diameter of sodium ion channel become narrow. When diameter become narrow, there will be no influx of sodium ion, no action potential, no depolarization, no action potential, no impulse generation, no impulse conduction. Like here, local anesthetic diffuse and act on cell membrane. In the result, the cell membrane become expand. Here the cell membrane is narrow, here expand. When cell membrane is narrow, normal condition, the diameter of sodium ion channel is large. But when cell membrane become expand, the diameter of sodium ion channel become narrow. When sodium ion channel diameter become narrow, there will be less permeability of sodium ion channel. This is the fourth theory, membrane expansion theory. Now come to the last theory, specific receptor theory. The most favored theory is the specific receptor theory. This theory states that there is a specific receptor which present on sodium ion channel, inside sodium ion channel, outside on the surface of sodium ion channel, are present on the outer or inner gate of sodium ion channel. The specific receptor may be present on inner side of sodium ion channel, on outer surface of sodium ion channel, or outer gate of sodium ion channel, or inner gate of sodium ion channel. When local anesthetic diffuse, according to specific receptor theory, local anesthetic diffuse from cell membrane and act on those specific receptor. When they act on those specific receptor, either present on outer surface, outer gate, inner surface, inner gate. In the result, there will be closure of inner gate. When inner gate become closed, then if painful stimulus is present, and due to painful stimulus, when sodium ion come, the inner gate is closed, there will be no depolarization, no action potential, no impulse generation, no impulse conduction, no pain. This is the most favored theory. Now, according to this theory, I already made a video on mechanism of action of local anesthesia which present on my YouTube channel. If you want to see, go and watch that video also. Now today our topic, theories of local anesthesia, become complete. Now we studied the 5 theories: acetylcholine theory, calcium displacement theory, surface charge theory, membrane expansion theory, and specific receptor theory. Now today our topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.